Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. This is not Bath and Body Works related. Well, it kind of is because it's going to bring your experience to be a better experience in stores. Yes, I ordered for myself for Christmas the iPhone 12 Max Pro, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. You're going to hear the kids. They're here as well. But the FedEx guy just got here, and I'm super excited, and I'm going to unbox it with you guys. This is the Pro Max, so it's the newest, and it has the most storage. I got the one with the highest storage was 512, I think, gigabytes or something. Whatever one it is the highest storage, and it has 5G. Like, y'all, oh my goodness. This phone, let me get y'all the total of this phone. This phone with tax and everything is $1,900. Oh my goodness. Wait, no, hold on. Let me see. No, the phone is $1,400. I paid off my old phone, which is the iPhone 11. I had the iPhone 11. I owed $355 on it, and I had to pay that off. So my total was $1,892.10 was the total. Of course, I have this one on the payment plan with my phone company. I just pay every month on it, but I had to pay off the other phone in order to get this one and then just pay the tax on this one. So I didn't just drop $1,800. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. But yeah, this is the phone right here. I think this is like something slate blue or something like that, but this is what the phone looks like. It's easy to get it dirty, I guess, because already I touched it one time and look, there's a little spot on it. And excuse the room, I'm washing all my sheets and everything, but the phone came so quick. And this is the front of the phone. So I'm going to take the case off. Of course, no one's ever used it before because this phone just came out. They don't give you the plug that goes into the wall anymore, but they give you this, the cord. So you get that. You just don't get the box. And what is this? I guess this is the stuff that goes with the phone too. So let me turn it on. And they don't give you headphones, but that's okay because I have the AirPods. But I don't even use my AirPods. I got to remember where they are. I spent all that money on AirPods, and I don't even know where they are. Where's the power button? Okay, so the power button is right here on the side, and you turn the power on, and the phone just looks like this. So yeah, the phone is powering up. I'm about to set it up, but while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to just show you my accessories that I bought. And the accessories, of course, came first before the phone. So I got the screen protectors, so I have those. And I bought this cute case off Amazon. This is the back of the case. Isn't this really pretty? And it has it where it stands up, so it goes like this. Yeah, so it's really, really cute. So that's the stand to it. And this is just the other part to the case. And in here, what else is in here? Oh, snap. And they gave you, and this is from a phone. It's a phone. Can I talk? It's a phone case from Born for Beauty. And they even give you another charger for your iPhone. That's cool. So in it, I got a charger for my iPhone too. The charger piece. Okay, what else y'all including here with all the extras? Unbox me, baby. Something for this. I don't know what this is for, but I guess it's a stand to help stand it up. And what else they give you in here? They give you a phone camera lens protector included. So that's another freebie. And this is just my glass protector. The side of my phone case looks like it has all the bling. I just thought this was really fancy. Something a little extra girly for right now. Hey guys, so the new phone is set up. Oh my goodness, I'm recording on the new phone. Transferring everything was very, very easy. I thought it was going to be difficult, but no, all I had to do was put my phones next to each other. It transferred all the data. My watch is transferring everything down to the new phone. The quality is so much better, like in my opinion. What do you guys think of the quality from when the video first started to now? But I'm super excited to have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Woo! So the in-store videos for Bath and Body Works is about to be lit because y'all know in stores I use my phone. Like I have a 5200 or something like that, but it's a vlogging camera and I just don't feel comfortable taking that into stores. People looking at you like, what you doing? So I don't take that into stores. And of course I don't take my Canon Canon T7i. Take that one into stores either, but yeah, the in-store quality is about to be off the chain. Okay, guys, enjoyed the unboxing of my new phone, actually seeing what it looks like. In-store experience is about to be off the chain now that we have a new camera. Like, oh my god, well, it's not a new camera, but I have a new phone that has a better camera quality, so I'm psyched. I'm psyched for the videos more than anything else, but I needed more storage space because I record so much on my phone. I have the regular cameras. I just find my phone is just so much easier to use. So I go to my phone first, and that's crazy. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, seeing me unbox my new phone, telling you a little bit about it. So in store for Bath and Body Works videos are about to be really lit. You're going to find out today because I'm going to go in stores today because I heard YT shirt is in the area somewhere. So I'm going to be looking at a lot of stores to see if I can come across it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. If you're excited about the new picture quality for the in-store videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys later after I get everything washed up in my bed, made and cleaned with the new sheets on it. All right, bye guys.